Good morning, this is Rajiv Daji from X Direct Limited. Today, 13th of January 2012, we will start with Forex market. Euro, it is trading at the level of 1.2834. Yesterday, sharp reversal was seen into the market where the bottom was seen at 1.2699, where sustained trading above the level of 1.2740 has brought down the higher level where it tested the level of 1.2844. Today, it is just trading near the resistance level of 1.2850, and as the resistance is crossing 1.2880 to 1.2910 can be tested on the higher side. But on lower side, if today's low is of 1.28909 is broken and is sustained trading is seen below 1.2800, I'm expecting that short covering will continue into the market where 1.2760 to 1.2720 can be seen on lower side. So one should wait either crossover of 1.2850 or either on lower side crossover of 1.2800 will indicate the further trend into the market. So 50 pips movement is the trading range for the day, and either side breakout will confirm the trend. Coming to British pound, which has couple of days back, the selling pressure which we have seen from the level of 1.5500 after testing the level yesterday, tested the level of 1.5276. It has been the near-term low into the market, and on lower side 1.5200 is a very good support level. Today market is trading at the level of 1.5350. So today's trading range on higher side 1.5380 is a resistance level, and on lower side 1.5300 is a support level. So 1.5300 to 1.5380 is the trading range for the day, and either side crossover will confirm the further trend. So today is a Friday, some selling pressure may be continue, but some bounce back can be used as a selling opportunity. So selling can be seen at the level of 1.5360, 1.5370. Stop loss of 1.5400 should be maintained, and on lower side if sustained trading is seen below, thereafter sustained trading is seen below the level of 1.5350, market may move back to the level of 1.5300, 5260 levels. Coming to Japanese yen against the USD, Japanese yen is trading in a range where it is not expected to give a sharp move on either side, where the support of 76.6 is a very good support level, and if the support is breaking down on lower side on closing basis, I'm expecting the level of 76.15 immediately. So one can go for a short in Japanese yen at the current level of 76.7, 76.75, and one can maintain a stop loss of 77, 77.1 and can hold a position and sustain trading below the level of 76.6. Market may give a sharp downtrend where first target will be 76.25, second target will be 76, and the third target will be 75.7. So one can go for a short into the Japanese yen against the dollar. Coming to Australian dollar has been trading at the level of 1.0322. Yesterday it tested the higher level of 1.0375 but failed to cross the level of 1.0400, and closing was seen at the level of 1.0285. Currently it is trading just near the level of 1.0300 levels, 320 320. On higher side one can keep a stop loss of the level of 1.0360, and one can wait for the target of 1.0280 to 1.0240 levels on lower side. So one can go for a short in Australian dollar also. Dollar index in the international market is trading at the level of 80.8. Yesterday trading was seen at the level of 80.1, 81, above 81, and it failed to trade above the 81.5. So closing was seen below 81, and today's support is seen at the level of 80.4 to 80.5. So till the time 80.5 support is holding, I'm expecting a reversal in dollar index where it will cross the level of 81 again, and it will move towards the level of 81.4. So dollar index is expected to reverse, whether the cross currency against the dollar index will give a short correction. So the trading will be the negative movement in the cross currency. Thank you. Have a nice trading session. Thank you.